it's Nikea here, and I am going to have you all pack with me. Going on another vacation, same time of year. And this time I'm only packing once. I'm only packing in a carry-on and a personal bag. Yes, I said it. Going for a 6-day honeymoon to Aruba, and I'm only going to pack in a carry-on and a personal bag. I feel like I can do it this time. I've been out of the country before, no stress, no worries, and yeah, we're gonna make it work. So this is my personal bag. I don't think this might be too big. All right, the bag I was gonna use as a personal bag is too big. It's a carry-on size. So yeah, this will probably be my personal bag. I actually was able to fit all the stuff I wanted to take with me in this bag, like all my clothes wise, like underwear, bras, all my outfits were able to fit in this bag. So I think I would not mind using this as a personal bag. But still, it's gonna be a personal bag and a carry-on, no matter what it is. And I'm gonna use this one. It says wifey. You know, I will be wifey by the time we go to Aruba. And this was a gift from one of my bridal shower guests. Shout out to Bree Reddick, thank you. All right, and y'all seen this bag. This is the one from last year. And it does have the extension on it if I need it. So I did make a packing list. In this video, I'm just gonna show you all my clothes, and I'll come back in another video with my toiletries and accessories. So y'all are just gonna like experience this whole packing situation with me, because I haven't tested this out or anything. I just have everything picked out. So I'm gonna start with my smaller items. I'm bringing shorts to the pool and at the beach, you know, with my swim stuff. And then these shorts I bought from Old Navy. I have never worn them. And I have this crop top that I got from Fashion Nova. And I felt like this would be a cute moment. And then I also brought these pants to wear with this top as well. So, multiple outfits. So with my shorts, I like to fold them together. I have another, oh, I got more shorts. Oh, that might not work, folding them together. Yeah, these little babies from Old Navy, they look very vacation-y. And then these were more for like dress up, go out, look cute type. So I'm gonna roll them. We're gonna roll them. I got this little crop top from Fashion Nova. I haven't worn it yet. Don't know how flat my stomach's gonna be because this is pretty cropped, but we on vacation, so And then I brought this for like a cover up. This shirt here, I think I got this from Ross a few years ago. It's long, like deep sides, and it has little cutouts on the back. Usually when I wear it, I just put on like a sports bra or something. But I figured it'd be good for like a cover up. So we're gonna roll those. And then this halter crop top that I told y'all about. All right, that's all my tops. How did that fit here? So I just have 3 tops. I think I mostly bought tops and stuff and shorts for like cover-ups. All right, there's those. And I think I only have 1 pair of pants. Yes, I think everything else is a 1-piece. All right, so, oh no, those are pants. Oh, here we go. These palazzo pants with the snaps on the side. I was gonna bring these to Mexico last year. I wound up not bringing them, but I said I'm gonna bring them to Aruba. So we're gonna fold those up and roll them. And I think from here, everything else is a 1-piece type situation. So I have this denim jumper romper. I wore this in my 500 subscribers celebration video. And I was like, oh, this is cute. I should have brought this with me. But now we have that. And I feel like these 1-pieces are good because I could wear them like daytime or nighttime, whatever. Give myself options. This is something I've never worn. These are pants. It's a cute little one-piece outfit, and it also has pockets. So you never know how many times you might need to change during the day. It's just quick and easy. I don't have to think about it too much. Then I have this dress, which I finally wore. It's really cute. I wore this to a birthday party this summer. And it has a racer back. These two pieces were in my Ross haul. And so was this one. I brought this to Mexico and never wore it. I've actually worn this a lot back in the States, but this is so tropical. But when I wear it here, I think I've worn it once without a jacket. I usually wear like a pink blazer over it because I've worn it to work a couple jobs. And it has that little tie on the side. It was a little big, so I had to knot the top. But I was like, I'm going to wear this when I go to Aruba. I will. But it's a good like dinner night out type outfit. And then I have this romper jumpsuit that I wore to my bridal shower. I figured this would be cute to bring. Actually, Jazz suggested that I bring it, you know, for like a date night, you know, one-on-one with my husband, you know. Oh, found the top. This little sheer top. I brought this to Mexico. I wore it when we went to Chichen Itza, just over my bathing suit and whatnot. This little romper my sister-in-law gave to me. I haven't worn it yet, but I really like the way it looked. It was really cute. So this is not something new, but I really love this dress. It's so easy and effortless. I can just put it on with heels, with sandals, with sneakers, and I don't need to wear a bra. I wore it when I was pregnant. I got it like 5 years ago, and it's still holding on. It's a nice long black sundress, a good quick and easy outfit, and I could also use it as a cover up. All right, another dress. I actually wore this dress in my engagement photos. I got it from Pretty Little Things, but I figure, you know, if I want to get dressed up one night when we go out and just be extra dressed up, then I have this. So everything I'm rolling up. That's just how I pack it. It's easy. It's easier to accommodate everything. Then I have this little athleisure outfit because we plan on doing an ATV excursion. So I'm going to bring that. So something I can wear, don't mind getting dirty, and still look cute at the same time. So just roll the top up and the bottom together. Alright, now I have my bathing suits. I mostly have one pieces. Some of these I've worn already. I'm gonna take those. And then I also have two pieces. This one I got from Victoria's Secret a few years ago. What size is this? I think this one is so this is a 36C. And if you watch my lingerie haul video, you all know I'm a 34 double D. But it actually like kind of sits fine, and then my boobs just bubble over. I feel like with a bathing suit you can kind of get away with it, and I might not even wear it. We'll see. So that's one of my two pieces, and it just has a regular knockout bikini bottom. And this one I got when I was pregnant. Yeah, so I got this from Misguided. It's pretty heavy. It's like a bandeau. It's kind of the same material as this long one, but it's like a bandeau top, and then it has this white bottom. But yeah, those are my bathing suits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and 6. This one. I haven't worn this one yet. Got this one from Fashion Nova. So you can see the ones I got from Fashion Nova in my Mexico vacation haul video, because I had to get some stuff because I didn't have no stuff. Alright, so my bathing suits, I'm just going to, first of all, close all these hooks and latches. I'm going to make sure I get some pictures in my bikinis this year. I'm going to lay them all together. All the one pieces. Alright, and that's all of them? Yeah. And I'm just going to fold them over. And then I'm going to just kind of roll it up. And I have this little corner back here in my suitcase, and I'm going to stuff that down there. And then my two pieces, I feel like these are pretty easy. Just lay them together. I think the last thing I need to put in here is like my panties. And you saw my lingerie video. I got a lot of panties from my bridal shower. So, oh, two things I forgot, cover-ups. So I got this from Ross. This was in a haul video as well. I am going to use it as a cover-up. And where is it? Oh. This is the white cover-up that I got from Target last year, like last minute. And then my panties, I have all of these, and I probably will not need all of them because we're only going for 6 days. So I probably only need 2 per day. I'm going to go through and pick which ones I'm going to bring with me to Aruba because I don't need over 20 pairs of underwear. Alright, so I just chose 12 pair of underwear. That's 2 pairs a day. That should be enough. I'm going to go ahead and open up this little extendo. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to put my lingerie. I have some lingerie in here. Okay. Some necklaces, some sexy things to wear for my husband. So we have these little piece here. Okay. We're going to take these and we're going to take this sexy rope. I'm not going to pack my bras yet because I still have 3 weeks until we go to Aruba, but I did want to pack. But I am going to take my Vicky's bras, and I'll probably take these two, the black one and the white one. But I have to exchange these. Oh, and I'm going to take my sexy teal one. I think, so let me just grab my shoes. Okay, so I just decided to grab my shoebox. These are the heels I'm gonna take. I feel like they can go with almost every little dress up thing that I packed. Got these from Fashion Nova. Wore these at my bridal shower. So it's a nice chunky heel. They're comfortable and it has this platform at the front. The only thing is I got little baby ankles. And my fiance, husband, always makes fun of me for that. Alright, shoes. We are going to take these black strap sandals. Gonna take these tan sandals. Love these. Got these from Target a few years ago. I feel like I want to pack some slide sandals like for the beach and for the pool, so they're easy to like put on and take off. Okay. So we have these like rose gold copper slides. I think I'm gonna take these. I haven't worn these. I bought these for Mexico and I didn't wear them, but I think I might be able to in Aruba. And I'll bring these black slides. But yeah, taking these. So I guess I'll bring all my little slides. Oh yeah, and I also have this little intimate lingerie wash bag, so I'm gonna bring this as a little, you know, laundry bag for my dirty panties. Y'all, 6 days, this is more than 6 days worth of clothes in this bag. So now I just need to pack my toiletries and my bras, which I don't want to pack my bras yet because I still have to like wear them. But I did it. OMG! And in this bag, I could just put like my toiletries, and I'll probably put the stuff that I'm going to wear because we are going to Charlotte to fly out. So I think in here I'll just put my toiletries, my makeup, my jewelry. Yeah, I think that's everything. Panties, bras, lingerie. Oh, socks. Yes, heels, dinner outfits, daytime. Yes. Yes, because I'll just need like my chargers. I plan on bringing, yes, okay, so this will be in a whole nother video. But yes, we have packed for 6 days in a carry-on. And I'm like, this is not even terrible. I feel like I don't even have to have this. Ooh, I don't even need the extendo. I did it! I'm so proud of myself. So now I just need my personal bag. Ah! Yay! Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'll come back to you all with the personal bag packing video, and that's just gonna be like my toiletries and accessories and stuff anyway. So you all got all the big stuff, and even I feel like my bras can still fit in here, but like I said, I don't want to pack them yet because I still gotta hold my boobs up for the next 3 weeks. Oh my god, y'all. Yes, but I can go to Aruba. I'm good. Ow. But that's it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.